shit. Oh god.
Sinjuri merħba fl-Aeroport Internazzjonali ta' Malta jfiġobkom qabel qiegħda bil-ġittorin tas-sigurtà maqful sakemm jintaf'a s-sinjal taċ-ġittorin. Ma tibsu l-kompartimenti fuq raskom u għadu attenti li ma jaqa' xejn fuqkom jew fuq passiġġieri oħrajn. Bil-ċerġi tistgħu ċarru matul it-titjira. Qabel tħallu l-ajruplan naraw li ma nsejtu xejn warajkom. Tejbux qabel tkunu f'xi żona tas-sikir u tużawx apparat elettroniku qabel tkunu ġewwa s-terminal. Speraw li t-tira ġbietkom u li m'għandhomux marġu nilqawkom fuq t-iskriet oħrajn. Saħħa grazzi tal-jeżitu l-tir dwar Malta. Dear guests, welcome to Malta International Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and the seatbelt sign is switched off. When opening the overhead compartments, please do take care that no items fall on you or any other guests, as hand luggage might have moved during the flight. Before leaving the aircraft, make sure you collect your personal belongings. Do not smoke unless you are within a smoking area, and do not use any electronic equipment until you are
Quick flight, 40 minutes.
We hope that the flight was a pleasant one, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again in the near future. Goodbye and thank you for flying Air Malta.